Guys, honestly, when him there? Nikki, me love this, me not lie. You look at this lady, me not sure no how going. This lady is a young lady. If you can see that. You can see she attached to you, because you see the ring them and all that. Something, nose ring all them things, you know. And she says she work her own money. Why not? Watch it. Weed walker, watch this. Ride, me see her ride past, watch her. Watch her. No ramp with Nikki thing, you know. You say, hi, the cutie. Say, hi, baby. Nikki are mad. You a single mommy? Single mom? Nikki a single mother, right? And Nikki willing to chop up the youth, pan the bicycle and ride, go do her work. And some man up on the road, hold on, wait for him chop. And some man up on the roadside that stretch out the moment, me proud of him, honestly. Me love it. Honestly, me couldn't proud of you no more. This are the real spirit of Jamaica, man. This is what we hear about. Mother work hard for them pitney. Yeah, trust me, me love you, Nikki. Honestly.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your family and friends, and browse this channel for more gossip and drama from the Caribbean.